Lion CP338 Clearcoat Polish helps remove swirls and fine scratches, also safe for all clear coats, and can be applied by hand or orbital buffer. First, wash the car completely to remove any surface dirt, followed by rinsing and thoroughly drying. Next, shake the bottle well to mix the formula. Then apply product to a soft cloth or applicator pad. Apply product evenly in a circular motion. Finally, buff off after product is dried to a fine haze. Be sure to read all directions and safety precautions on the back label. And always consult with a professional before use of any product. Drive with confidence with the strength of Lion.